With the projects, are you using a camera, or like how did you start? Did you use your phone, or?
I use my iPhone, man. That's
Your
all.
iPhone?
Yeah, I mean, it might sound funny, but all the marketing that you see on my socials, they're made with my iPhone, an iPhone and a tripod.
Right. So they don't need a fancy camera. They don't need a fancy guy.
I mean, all that fancy stuff. I guess if you're doing it professionally, like let's say if you're charging someone to do the work, yeah, just go ahead and invest in it. But for a startup company, you don't need it unless you're picky about certain sounds and stuff like that. But if you look at my work, sound is clear. The software that you can use with social media, you can always take off a lot of that noise, background noise, and edit.
Yeah.
So all that you can do it with the apps. You don't need them, big of equipment. You could, I guess, but I mean, at least for me, like that's all I have: my iPhone and my tripod, as of right now.
Do you ever get the did you ever have a point where you overthought it and you kept looking at the video, kept editing it, and then you don't put it out and you just wasted your time editing a video, creating the video? Because I know a lot of people, they do that. They over analyze. Yeah. Well, how do you get over it?
I think that happens a lot. I mean, it happens very often, at least to me, where like.
Now?
Yeah. I mean, I have a few drafts in my phone where like they've been sitting there for weeks because I just keep going back to it. I'm like, well, like I don't think that's, it doesn't look good to me. Really? So I just, I just let it sit there. And sometimes like I let it sit there and time goes by and I just decide to do a voiceover on it and I post it and then it just goes viral. So it's like,
sometimes those are the ones that go viral.
I had a viral video just sitting there for months. And then, it just happens like that. Or sometimes, I think one of the things that is the most frustrating is that sometimes you wake up with the bright mind, great ideas, you want to put all the time and effort into a video because you're feeling nice about it. The weather's nice. You record it, you edit it, do a voiceover, you put music, you post it, nothing. And then that's where like I guess you overthink it because you're like, man, like is it even worth it doing like putting all this effort into editing? Because sometimes you don't even have to edit a video and you post it and it goes viral. So I guess it just has to do with the algorithm,
Yeah.
But that's one of the things that like it's kind of like frustrating to me that sometimes I spend a lot of time editing videos and they don't do well, and then I'm over here thinking, man, like it's a good idea, and it's funny because like let's say I always post and I edit and post my videos first on TikTok, and from there I'll just cross post to Facebook and Instagram, and then lately TikTok. I post them and I only get a few hundred views, 1,000 views, and I post the same video at the same time on Instagram and Facebook, and they get like 1 million views.
Damn.